Hi guys, I want to show you today. We are busy here for putting for the egg solar system. So we already put the egg solar panels. This is a Canadian panel. This is a very good brand, for the solar panels. And we're putting for the greenrich battery, and we're doing also for the luxpower inverter. So this is a very good brand we are doing here, because some client is requested for the good brand, and we therefore also for the good brand because it lasts longer and the warranty also is 5 to 10 years. So now here we put the Canadian panels, 8 of them, and that's power. I will take you there down and I will show you. So let me show you here. This is a 455 watt panel, and it's about 65 volt. So this is wide is about 1.1, and the length this is 1.9. So before you mount these panels, you need to put the roof brackets. There is a roof bracket, and after the roof bracket, then you need to put the rail. Then after you put the rail, then you need to mount the panels with the panels. This is very important. This is earth cable. This is very important. When is the raining season, and then you know this is for the lightning and the lightning strike. So this is going to be helpful a lot. If it's a lightning hit for the panel, then it's going to go to the ground. So it's not going to be have lots of damage. So this is earth will help you a lot. So this panel we connected for the like in the two groups. So it's like this is a group 1 and this one is for the group 2, right? So we have to make like a two groups. This is very important. If you're gonna just make a one group like only one line, so then it's gonna be chances to be not work, because it depends on the inverter how many maximum volt is taking on the inverter. Because sometimes if you put together, then it's gonna be voltage is too high. Then maybe your inverter can damage because of the high voltage. So that's why we have to make the two groups. So this is the group 1 is about 159 volt. This is a group 2. This is also for 159 volt. So we have to put the combiner. Then the combiner, what it's doing is combine all the volt 2 in 1. So it's a 2 in going in and 1 is out. So it's a 2 in 1. Then in is going to the inverter. Alright, so here we are putting the inverter and the battery. This is about 5.1 kilowatts. The battery is and the inverter also is a 5 kVA, 6000 watt, and it's a greenrich battery. This is a very good brand, in here in South Africa. And this is inverter also is a very good brand. And this is for the combiner, and this one is going to be AC breakers going to be come here, and this is all the wires is coming from the top. So you can see how this DS work. So we mount this one and in the passage. We try to make it more neater. Always, whatever we do the jobs and wherever we do, so we try our best to be neat jobs. And here is gonna be main DB box. So all this wire is gonna be come to this DB box. So we're gonna put the trunking. So soft. It's 4 This is fine.
This is for
This is solar one.
the use the same one, yeah.